Hey folks, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is crazy pentatonic blues licks. So, you're playing blues and you're really tired of listening to the old pentatonic shit and you want to hear something new, then this tutorial is for you. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button and become a member of the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Link is in the description box below. And please make the premium membership upgrade. So, let's listen what I found for you. Really cool stuff which breaks a little bit the stuff, you know. It's not always like, not always this stuff, you know. Something new. You hear the difference? There's something which sounds somehow cool, but it's in the normal stuff and sounds fresh. And that's what it's about. Get some new ideas with pentatonic. So let's get started. Okie dokie. So we're on this is a blues in A minor and it's a medium shuffle blues. So these licks only work on shuffle blues. And there's somehow they break a little bit the normal routine with blues licks. So the first lick which I found for you is this one here. We're starting with a long meter arpeggio, which is basically a minor pentatonic thing. So we are here in the 5th, 8, 7, 12, 10, 9. And you can do it either with alternate picking, so down, up, with down, up, you know, down, up, down, up. And it's played in sextols, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are sextols. And in medium blues sextols, there's double time, it's still not so fast, but you need to get this sextol feel. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, see? As I said, you can do either with alternate picking or sweep picking. That means with sweeping it's downstroke, upstroke, downstroke, upstroke, downstroke, downstroke, downstroke. So depends what's more your thing, and if it gets faster, probably sweep picking is better. Or so you're opening with this arpeggio, and then we jump down in position 1 again. 5, 7. And if you want to end up the same, you go down here 3, 0. So let's see how this lick sounds. You can do like this, or and then continue. See? See how this lick really opens up your whole sound thing in blues. And then suddenly the really basic stuff sounds more interesting because you opened up something and then you can bring that, and there's no need to get more into speed or stuff like that because it's already opening up, because it's something which is not the total normal way which a blues lick is played. So that's the reason for these licks, you know, makes your life way easier. But you're jumping around positions. That's of course. The second lick, which I found for you, it's also sextols, and we're starting here in the 12, 10 slide to 8. Then we're for 10, 8 slide to 5, then 5, sorry, 7, 5, slide to 2. See? Sounds really nice, opens up again, but then you need to end up with this. Back in position 1. It's really cool. Once again. See that again, it opens up the whole thing when you start to continue the same way. Let's do it again. See, then it really opens up your sound spectrum in blues. And that's what it's about. To get some new creative, crazy ideas on blues guitar. And the last is again an arpeggio. Again sextole, so 7, 10, 9, 10, 12. Back to 8. And then we're in position. Again opens up. Yep. And again, if you want to do the sweep picking, be my guest. In this case, I would do sweep picking. So downstroke, upstroke, down, down, down. If you want to do alter the picking, we also can do that, you know. It's really up to you. Yep. So let's put the whole thing together. We have 3 licks now which open up your sound spectrum, mix it with the normal blues licks, and then you're gonna sound way advanced, I must say. We start with normal stuff. Really normal stuff, you know. Now we open up. Yeah guys, these were the crazy Pentatonic blues guitar licks which are there to open up your sound spectrum in the key of A minor, or a blues in A. Works of course for any other blues, but A is really a cool position because, I mean, if you want to do it in any other key, it should not be lower than A, I must say, because this really works in these all these positions here. You can go in higher positions, of course. Well, you can of course do it in E, then it will be in a high position. Yeah, but don't go lower than A. Like if you want to do G, we'll give here, then you have to do it up here. Then it's going to be a little bit tight. Well, from my hands, this is too tight up here, as I said, yeah. But you would work, I must say. Yeah, as I said. Yeah, and the rest is just be creative, get some new ideas that don't have to be exactly played like that, just to open up your idea of connecting pentatonic positions and sound different. I mean, many players just play in one pentatonic positions, which is cool. Nothing against that. Also nothing against just playing the same licks all over again. It's not about making a good song or a good lick or a good solo guitar. It's just about, if you want to open up your spectrum, then these licks are for you. Good. If you want to download the backing track and the tabs, they're available at the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Please join there. Also take part of my community there. It's my only social media account with which I'm doing. Also my live stream concerts are published there. And if you want to download the files, you need to make a premium membership upgrade. But you can also join there for free. It's just to interact with others and show your playing and stuff like that, you know. Just be there. So, being drpink, or saying bye to you guys, playing a little bit more, saying goodbye.